how to block and unblock people on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the block function. Then I'll show you how to find a full list of everyone you've blocked on TikTok so you can unblock anyone you want to. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to block someone on TikTok, all we need to do is navigate to their profile. So if you're in your feed and you see someone you want to block, or you search for someone, simply select their profile image. And then once you get to their profile, to block them, all you need to do is select the arrow in the top right, and then you'll see the send to options. At the bottom, select block. It'll let you know what that means, that they won't be able to interact with you or see your post or anything like that. So go ahead and confirm by selecting block. And as you can see, it now says unblock. So the first way to unblock someone is to simply navigate to their profile and select unblock. Now, if you don't remember the person's name, or you can't get to their profile, you can see a full list of everyone that you've ever blocked by first navigating to your profile on TikTok, then selecting the three lines in the top right of TikTok, and then selecting settings and privacy in the menu that appears. Once in here, select privacy, then scroll all the way down to the bottom and you'll see blocked accounts. From there, you'll see a list of every account that you've blocked on TikTok, and all you need to do is select unblock next to them, and they will then be unblocked. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.